solder is actually an alloy of silver. It's about 90%, 85% silver. Where the silver that I'm working with is called sterling silver, which is 92.5% silver. The more alloy you add to the silver, the lower the temperature it melts at. So I can melt the solder, but not the actual pieces of silver. There it goes. Now, if you saw how the metal could form, see how it beautifully just presses into itself when it's just at a dull red temperature. You can actually form the metal to another, form it against each other. You get it hotter than a dull red, the metal will crumble. Okay, next solder joint with these two sides. Piece of solder in the center there, sandwich between it. Once the solder melts, I'll give it a little squeeze. This clamp holds the two pieces snug together until the solder melts. There goes the solder. So when the metal gets close to soldering temperature, I'll take the two tweezers and squeeze the metal together just a little bit more to make sure the solder flows smoothly and the two pieces join perfectly. And the same thing, we're going to flux it again. What the flux does is it prevents air from getting into the solder joint. So when the solder does melt, there's no oxides in that joint. Trying to heat the whole piece. Silver conducts heat very, very quickly. The solder will not melt until the piece is of uniform temperature. I just put the heat over here. I'll wind up getting maybe a hot spot there, but nothing will draw through right away. So I want to heat both sides of the joint, get the metal to be all the same temperature, then the solder will flow smoothly. So you can see the joint came out really nice through here. We might go back and continue working it through, but the solder flowed to about this point right here, which is just fine for where we're at on this project.